Hello everyone. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial video. In this video, I am going to show you how I do my makeup. So let's get started. It is a very simple yet elegant look and you can do it in hardly 10 minutes. It goes amazing with traditional as well as western outfits. Firstly, we have to prep our skin with a good moisturizer. So I am applying here Bobbi Brown's Vitamin E Enriched Moisturizer. Moisturizer helps our skin to stay hydrated. It allows your makeup to last longer. It helps your skin to stay hydrated and not become so dry. So it is a very important step so that your skin doesn't become dry. After moisturizer, you can also use primer if you want your makeup to last longer. Moisturizing also helps your makeup not to become so patchy and cakey. Next is the foundation. I have taken MAC foundation in the shade NC35. It also has SPF 15. Then I am taking another foundation. This is a Bobbi Brown Intense Screen Serum Foundation in the shade Warm Beach 3.5. It also has SPF 40, but it's a one shade lighter for my skin, so I am mixing these two foundation to get my shade perfect. Now with my beauty blender, I will blend this into my skin. Now if you take any foundation which is a lighter or darker to your original skin, इट रियली लुक्स पैची. आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि आपने मेकअप अप्लाई किया है, पैचेस दिखेंगे. फाउंडेशन आपको ऐसे सेलेक्ट करना है जो आपके स्किन में पूरा ढल जाए. सो चूजिंग अ राइट फाउंडेशन इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट योर नेक पे भी अच्छे से फाउंडेशन लगाए ताकि आपका फेस और नेक मैच हो. टेक योर टाइम एंड ब्लेंड द फाउंडेशन प्रॉपरली इनटू द स्किन. इससे आपका मेकअप एकदम नेचुरल लगेगा, अदरवाइज आपका स्किन थोड़े टाइम बाद खीखी दिखने लगेगा. इफ़ यू हैव ड्राई स्किन, डोंट यूज़ मैट फाउंडेशंस, एंड इफ़ यू want to use matte foundation, then mix it up with any oil or dewy foundation which has little oil in it, so that way your skin will not dry out. फाउंडेशन के बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप है कंसीलर. Under eyes to appear lighter and brighter and to conceal the dark circles, I am applying a concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. कंसीलर हमेशा फाउंडेशन से एक शेड लाइट होना चाहिए ताकि वो आपके अंडर आइज़ को ब्राइटन कर सके. ऑल्सो ब्लेमिशेस के ऊपर भी आपको लगाना है टू कवर द ब्लेमिशेस. अगेन विद द ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर यू हैव टू डैब इट इनटू योर स्किन. Always use a smaller amount of product on your face at one time, and if required you can build it up anyways. Don't apply too much product at once cause it doesn't look good and eventually it will start out creasing. You can also apply it on your nose, chin and forehead to brighten up. Applying some moisturizer to my lips. Also applying another concealer from Sugar to brighten up a little bit. So now I am using my loose powder to set my face so that my makeup doesn't move. स्वेट के वजह से फाउंडेशन मेल्ट होना स्टार्ट होता है. लूज़ पाउडर उसे प्रोटेक्ट करता है. ऑल्सो जो एक्स्ट्रा शाइन आपके फेस पे आता है फाउंडेशन से, पाउडर उसे मैटिफाई करता है ताकि वो ट्रांसफ़र ना हो. So now I am taking an eyebrow defining pencil from Faces Canada and filling up the gaps which are in my eyebrows. And this is in the shade brown, light brown. I have a really thick eyebrows, so I don't need to do much. Just filling up the gaps. For eyes, I have taken a green crayon pencil. It's from K Beauty, and smudge it out on your lid. ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज़ ग्रीन काजल पेंसिल. बस ये ध्यान रखिए कि काजल स्मज प्रूफ नहीं होना चाहिए, वरना आपको स्मज करने के लिए डिफ़िकल्टी हो सकती है. अप्लाइंग दिस क्रेयॉन ऑल ओवर माई लिड generously so that it becomes a base for my eyeshadow. Then take a fluffy brush and smudge out the corners so that there are no fine lines. Take any light shade, like I have taken light brown shade, and blend it into your crease so that it looks like a transition and there are no harsh line. Blend it properly and take your time for blending, because the more you blend, the more your eyes will look beautiful. Again, taking the crayon and spreading it all over my lid to intensify the color, and taking that smudge brush, smudging out all over the lid. Don't take too much of product at one time. If you want to intensify the color, take little by little and build the layers. Now I am taking a green glitter eyeshadow which has a little shimmer on it and applying it with my finger on all over the lid. As I said, apply little by little layers of colors till you are satisfied with the color payoff. Take a fluffy brush and smudge it out the edges so that there are no harsh lines, and blend it properly. Applying a little more of that glitter on the lid, so for that extra pop. Take a flat brush and apply the same brown color on your lower lid as well, and blend it out smoothly. Now take a green kajal pencil and apply it on the outer corner of your eye. You can also use black kajal if you want. Now with the smudging brush, smudge it out the kajal on your lower lids. Now with the flat brush, I am taking a black eyeshadow and applying it on the outer corners of my upper lid as well as lower lid to give a definition to my eyes, like a liner effect. Finishing my second eye as well. Always make sure you use smudgeable products on the eyelids so that it is easy to smudge. Otherwise, if you are using smudge proof kajal, as it will be difficult to smudge it. Also, in your crease, always use a lighter shade like light pink, light brown, light coral colors for transitions. Make sure you have 2 to 3 blending brushes so that you don't mix up one color brush into another color, so that your color payoff is good. Every time you do a smoky eye look, make sure to apply a concealer once you are done with your eye makeup. This will add more brightness to your under eyes so that your smoky eye look stands out. Setting my under eyes with K Beauty loose powder. Now I am taking my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and applying it on my upper as well as lower lashes. Mascara is a really important step as it instantly lifts up your eyes. Take a small or pointed brush and apply a lighter shade on your inner corners of the eyes as it pops your inner corners and makes it brighter. Next step is contouring. What contouring does is it sharpens your look like your jawline and also makes your face look slimmer. So I am taking sugar contour powder and with the angled brush I am just enhancing my features like jawline, cheeks and little bit on the neck, onto my temples as well, onto my nose as well to make it a little sharper. Now I am taking Bobbi Brown's blush. It is a cream blush, so I am applying it with my fingers. Taking a blush brush and applying it all over my cheeks as well as my nose. Now I am taking Huda Beauty lip contour in the shade Muse and applying this lip pencil all over my lips. Whenever you are doing a smoky eye makeup look like darker shade makeup look, always use a lighter lipstick shade so that it balances your makeup look. Now I am taking a Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminator. This is a highlighter. With a fan brush, I am applying it on the high points of my face like cheekbone, temples. Also, you can apply this on your nose, chin and cupid's bow as well because the light first hits on these places. With this, we have completed the makeup look. With earrings and bindi, I have completed this look. This is a really simple and easy makeup look. You can achieve it with minimum products. You don't have to follow each and every step, like you can skip contouring and highlighter as well. I really loved how this look turned out and I hope you really like it. And if you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.